yeah. Dude, you coming out?
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Y'all.
Crap.
You're on the fire! You suck.
Well, I'm on fire. Yes.
Yes.
Ah!
Go in the sink! Go in the toilet! The toilet!
Where's the toilet?
It's right there! Nice toilet water. Shut up. No one cares what you have to say. Do you guys want to go exploring? Lock up the camp and go exploring?
Like,
Oh, yeah, man.
Okay, well, let's go. Are you coming? We're here.
Yep.
What do you think?
This is
That
a nice
wide open green range. For all of us to see.
Yeah. Oh, heck no, you did not.
Lie. Can't punch a girl.
Okay.
Ah!
Die, man, die.
Stop it!
Go away forever.
My grass is airs.
Bella in the house, y'all.
Oh, yeah.
The dogs are in the house.
What is this?
That's not exactly what I meant. Hey, do you wanna go somewhere else?
Oh, sure.
Okay, because there's this pretty view, and I want you guys to know about it. So
Let's go.
Let's go. I bring to you Trampoline World.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I fell.
You okay?
Do you like me or something?
I'm saying, are you okay?
No. Ah! Big meanie!
Hey, what's over there?
I don't know.
Oh, just a little tiny bug.
That's tiny. They're ginormous.
Oh.
Especially around these parts.
So what do we do on trampoline world?
Get your butt on my face!
So what do we do? You got poop on my face. What do we do at trampoline world?
Wow. This is what we do. Come on.
Bounce. Boom, boom, boom.
Come on, bro! Ah! Ah! I'm flopping. My face hurts.
That was so fun.
My face still hurts.
Are you okay? No.
Get away from me!
Okay, okay. So where should we go now?
Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh yes, that's Hey,
Die!
there's a great mountain that we should go to.
Stop it! Die!
Find a great mountain that we should go to. Okay. Just enjoy the ride. Let's go. Just enjoy the ride.
Okay,
I got a
let's
great
go.
mountain.
Let's go.
Look at the awesome view, guys.
This the place?
Yep.
It's really cool.
You're not even looking at it, dude.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Sweet.
Like, totally epic.
I know, right?
Now I'm bored.
I'm a fatty.
I'm a fatty, you say?
Yeah.
Brown and white, fat cow. I mean,
Hey, look
Yeah,
at that big
I can't
giant
get it right.
flying thing.
Brown fat cow.
he's big and brown. He's a brown and white cow. Fat cow.
Ow.
You're getting thrown out the edge.
No.
Hey,
Goodbye.
what's about bungee jumping?
He died.
I want to go bungee jumping.
3.
You died. 2. 1. Oh!
Okay.
That really hurt.
Yep.
I thought the cords were connected.
Me too.
Apparently you were wrong. Are you okay, Frank? Or whatever your name is?
Yep.
No, you're not. You're lying. Aren't you?
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope. What the heck is this place?
Whatever it is, it's a big
Yeah.
It's the monument of the beach balls.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, wait. This is a ride.
My name was like
3, 2,
Greg.
1. Blast off! Ah!
My name was like Greg.
His name is like Frank. And oh, I hurt.
Yeah, me too.
At least I went the farthest. Ha ha! In your faces. Woo!
Ah!
My face! Oh, yay! My side! Whee! I'm gonna run over you. Whoa!
Hey guys, look at this.
It's not stopping!
Hey, look at this.
Oh, let's go on this ride on the camper! Crabsicles! Wow! We all just fell and we all died. We did not die,
Oh yeah.
but we are going to slide off this thing. So, I'll go first.
I'll go second.
You're on the side!
I'm coming.
We're taking forever!
Hi.
I'm Greg.
Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
Sitting on the toilet! Sitting on the toilet! Falling on the toilet!
Me too.
I'm sleeping on here at the hammock.
Okay.
I'm
Coming. I'm coming.
Where are you sleeping?
No, this is my spot.
Hey, stop. You sit on the ground.
I'm
Okay.
fire.
Okay. Yay.
You can sleep with you.
Uh.
Get in there!
No, get away!